Hey there, I'm Scott David, you're watching Designing Spaces. Today on the show, we've teamed up with a company that's revolutionizing the way that you can beautify and enhance your outdoor living spaces. We've got some really innovative machines that we're gonna put to the test today, so let's get this episode started. Hey Dan, thanks so much for being here on the show. Dan is the CEO and chairman of Ariens Company, a fifth-generation family-owned outdoor power equipment manufacturer right here in America. Dan, that is pretty awesome. Tell us about the story.
Well, thanks, Scott. It's a pleasure to be here with you. We're 5 generations. My great-grandfather started the business in 1893, and then the Depression came along in 1933, and Henry didn't quit. He went to the family's garage, started the Ariens Company in his garage with a lathe and a couple of tools, and started making the first tiller in America. So it's an American-made family story, now 5 generations, and we're in the power equipment business. So you can see outdoor power equipment is zero-turn mowers, walk-behind lawnmowers, and we're known as the king of snow. Most people know us for the Ariens snow throw, which gets everybody out of a snowstorm at the perfect time of the year. But here, we're talking about our lawnmowers.
That's awesome. You don't hear about that a lot today. Talking about the lawnmowers, what do we have here today? We've got the IKON and the Razor, it looks like. Tell me a little bit about these.
Well, zero-turn mowers have taken over a lot of mowing in backyards over the last 10 years.
What exactly is a zero-turn mower?
Well, it's a different way to transport the machine, right? So the operator's in a seat just like on a tractor, but in this case with zero turn, each wheel is independently powered by the 2 sticks or the steering levers that we call them. It's much easier to use, it's quicker, and it is much more precise.
Why are these gaining such popularity?
The technology got better for us to bring the price down for homeowners. So now it's a very affordable mower. And then our Razor mower is a 21-inch mower. It's a traditional walk-behind lawnmower for a smaller property, or cleaning up after the zero turn has gone around all the trees and all the debris, and just cleaning up the area when you're finished with your riding mower.
So they can complement each other if I'm hearing you, or you may just need one or the other.
If you had an acre or less, you could do the whole yard with the 21-inch mower. When you get beyond an acre, you probably are better off riding. And a zero turn is going to take you about half the time that a traditional tractor would take to mow the grass.
All right, so we're here at Ian and Heather's house. They're gonna be giving the Ariens machines a shot for the first time. What we're gonna be doing today is making quick work of this property and showing the ease and efficiency of using solutions like this. Ian, thanks for having us at our house, man.
You're welcome. My name's Ian Fike, and we have 2 beautiful boys and 2 dogs, and this is my wife, Heather.
We moved here about 3 years ago. We're on about 1.5 acres.
The IKON features the 48-inch NV Elite Cutting System deck. The deck is designed for optimal airflow, ensuring it gets the debris out of the way so you get precision in every trim. But it's not just about cutting grass, it's about the ease of operation. The one-piece, fully welded tubular chassis provides stability. It has a high back seat, tall and wide with more back support, and on a taller base, plus molded armrests for extra comfort. Powered by a Kawasaki 21.5 horsepower, 726cc engine, it separates this zero turn from the rest. A standard deck lift assist that's foot operated helps lift the deck more easily. Well, Ian, it looks pretty good. What do you think, man?
The road's super smooth, is a lot faster than I expected, and man, this thing looks awesome in my yard.
Today, we're not just mowing lawns. We're embracing a philosophy that resonates with everyone who understands the pride of home ownership.
We also have the new Ariens Razor here today. With a 3-in-1 system, you can mulch, bag, or disperse your clippings. The Razor is powered by a Briggs & Stratton engine. The trademark Reflex speed control technology allow you to match your pace of the mower between 1 and 4 miles per hour. The Ariens Razor Reflex folds upright for compact, easy storage.
Ariens as a family company takes an awful lot of pride in what we build, and I know each and every one of our employees are part of the whole family environment we have. When we put a lawnmower in someone's garage and put it on their lawn, we're part of their experience. We're part of the pride that they take in their lawn.
To learn more about this amazing outdoor power equipment that we saw on the show today, you can check out ariens.com, or you can always visit us on designingspaces.tv.